See egg down there here?
Yo, me people, just a quick observation. You see this? Me on a site where they just kill some white bird. You want them where you call chicken where you love like KFC? And we have a tribe in the pot here. And if you look here, so, at the maggot fly them here, the one them with the green abdomen. And this is the survival mode of the flies. You think I eat, they want if you eat? They want it to lay their eggs. This is a part of their cycle. They are attracted to meat. Me don't know if you get it, you know. And people wonder why when you're a meat eater, you have so much worms. You have so much intestinal worm. You have so much fluke worm. You understand? You see, same like how mosquito has to suck blood to complete the life cycle of breathing in and do the continuity of life. You see, like how when one tree realize say go dead and never be here before, all of a sudden he start put on two fruit. I see him where these flies have to pass on their maggot. I'm going to leave you with a quote for end this. It doesn't matter how the honeybee say to fly that honey is better than shit. Fly just won't get it because all fly know is how to make shit. If you get a message, you get a message. People eat good, you hear? Yes, for daily motivation like these, please check out my new book, Earth. It's on Amazon. See ya, check it out.